Welcome back to Piston Power. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Ram 1500, a pickup truck that blends rugged performance with refined luxury. From the exterior design to the interior features, and of course, the overall performance, we're breaking it all down for you. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Ram 1500 looks as tough as it performs. The bold grille, sleek headlights, and muscular stance give it an imposing presence on the road. With options for various trims, including the Laramie, Rebel, and Limited, this truck can be customized to suit your taste, whether you're after a more aggressive off-road look or a premium, luxury finish. The truck's aerodynamic design, paired with its sculpted body, enhances both performance and fuel efficiency, making it a great choice for long trips or hauling heavy loads. Inside, the Ram 1500 is all about comfort and technology. The cabin is spacious, offering ample legroom and headroom for both the driver and passengers. Depending on the trim, you'll find premium materials like leather upholstery, wood accents, and soft touch surfaces that make the interior feel upscale. The centerpiece of the cabin is the massive 12-inch touchscreen, which comes with the Uconnect infotainment system. It's quick to respond, user-friendly, and integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Whether you're using navigation or streaming music, the system makes it effortless. There's also an optional 19-speaker Harman Kardon audio system for audiophiles who want the best sound quality on the road. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Ram 1500 doesn't disappoint. It offers a variety of powertrain options, including a 3.6-liter V6, a 5.7-liter V8, and a hybrid version of the V6 for those looking for better fuel efficiency. The towing capacity is impressive, reaching up to 12,750 pounds, so whether you're hauling a trailer, a boat, or heavy equipment, this truck has the power to handle it. The Ram 1500's smooth ride is another standout feature, thanks to its adaptive air suspension system, which helps absorb bumps and keeps the ride comfortable even when carrying a heavy load. Now, let's talk about pricing. The base model starts at around $35,000, but if you opt for higher trims like the Limited or the Rebel, you could be looking at prices closer to $60,000. While it may not be the cheapest option in its class, the value you get in terms of luxury features, performance, and technology is well worth it. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Ram 1500. It's a truck that delivers on all fronts: performance, luxury, and utility. Whether you're using it for work or play, it's built to impress. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews here on Piston Power.